So these are the Elite Wired Scales. So let's go ahead and open this thing up, see what we got.
Okay. Got a knife?
I do.
Excellent.
It has all the pads, the control box, and the carrying case in these. Looks like we got, this is, I believe, the control box. So let's just set that over there.
I'll put this with this.
Now we've got 4 pads and a carrying case.
Comes in a nice case, it looks like.
There's one scale pad.
Another scale pad. Boy, those are really nice. Are those black powder coated?
Yep, powder coated. Nice handles to grab a hold of them.
Mm-hmm. And the cool part.
Let's get this case out of here.
Yeah. Very nice case.
So that's one of the nice things with this new system is that case comes with it. The old systems, you had to buy a case separate for all the pads.
So the pads and everything's going to go in this one case?
Well, the pads will go in that case. The control box has another case, I believe. All right.
Wow.
So yeah, nice padded case.
Individually? Yep.
So all these pads are labeled so you don't get them mixed up.
Left, right type of deal.
And one nice thing with these pads too, they have a lot of internal bridging in them, so they're extremely rigid. So if you don't have the car exactly centered on the pad, they'll still read accurately.
There you go.
All right. So all the pads fit in there nice and neat. Let's see what we got in this one.
Wow.
So this is the case that has the control box in it.
Very nice.
And all the wires for the pads that go to each corner. So you've got instruction QR code, so you can scan that.
You scan that, and that actually takes place of the manual?
Correct.
Very nice.
And then it has a really good instructions on how to unplug your cables. Because most people will do exactly what the wrong way is grab them by the wire and jerk them out of the pads, and you want to make sure you get up on the coating and pull that out.
Yeah,
that way you don't pull the wires out.
And what is this? Looks like a hubcap.
So that's a pop socket for a tablet.
A pop socket.
A pop socket. So you stick it on your tablet and it's easier to hold on to it. So why this is in here with a wired system is because you can now pair a tablet to this wired system. So like if you're in the car and you want to see what the scale numbers are, then you can use your phone, you can pair it to that phone, and you can see what the numbers are on this box and not have to be outside the car to see that.
Okay, very nice. I know that's a headache when you're trying to scale a car by yourself, and it's hard to read that. So
so with the tablet pairing to this box, you can see all the numbers, you can see all the percentages. You can also zero the scales. So if the car is up off the scale pad, you can zero the scales at that point, all from that Longacre Connect app paired to this box.
Going through your phone.
Going through your phone or a tablet.
Is that like an Apple or an Android?
You can do an Android or an Apple, either one. So it gives you a lot of versatility to be able to use a tablet and the app, so get the advantages of like a wireless system, but a little bit less of a cost with the wired system.
Can you store your setup in your phone?
Yes.
Or does it have to be done on the box?
In your phone, if you decide to use the phone and pair it to this, there's basically an infinite number of storage sessions or files that you can save everything under. You can export that out to a Dropbox or to an email address, so that you have good records there.
So if you scale your car, you can actually take your setup off your phone and email it to your chassis builder or your shock tuner.
Correct.
Very nice.